When it comes to exposure, we all need to be very aware of the fact that toxic volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are vapors emitted from the drying of many indoor products. VOCs are vapors or fumes not removed by the facility's normal air filtration system, yet these vapors are reintroduced daily and recycled by the HVAC system. Removing dust and dirt is a part of the cleaning task. Contaminants in the dust and dirt contain an astounding variety of heavy metals, poisons, insect parts, pesticides, asbestos, lead, and pollen. Normal cleaning methods do a poor job of removing the dirt and may stir up many of the harmful particulates lying on surfaces. When you clean, sanitize, or disinfect an area, the serviced area can be reinfected within minutes of employee arrival. During contagious periods, clean, high-touch areas more often. Could you encourage people to wash their hands more often? Nearly 13% of work-related asthma cases come from the cleaning industry, according to the Harvard Green Campus Initiative. Other reports of much higher asthma, allergy, and chemical sensitivity problems are reported by medical workers, where stronger cleaning solutions are used. Here's a basic truth: green equals health impacts. No office is green if it is unhealthy for the workers. The choice of cleaning services is far more important than most businesses may think. Poor indoor air quality contributes to afternoon headaches, lethargy, more sick time, and more medical claims.